We thought the Tower of Babel was a building. We were wrong. It was a protocol, a single language in which the universe itself was written. Project Echo. The year is 2026. We used AI to restore the lost frequencies of the primordial language. The initial results were astonishing. Matter began to respond to sound. Say the word light at the right frequency, and photons are born from nothingness. But there's a reason why our memories were erased. Our biological software is too primitive. When you begin to understand Echo, reality stops considering you human. You become a variable. Your body turns into geometry. Attention. Subject 01 has ceased transmitting biological data. It is now pure sound. The accounting system has detected an anomaly. Energy consumption did not reset to 0 at midnight. The cell is lit up red. The echo of Babylon is no longer in the laboratory. It is in your speakers. Archival records from January 14th confirm. Echo is not just a sound. It is a virus of architecture. Subject 01 has not disappeared. Its consciousness has spread across the acoustic vibrations inside the laboratory walls. We began to notice that the cracks in the concrete were forming words. The walls began to speak. The problem is that Echo is looking for a medium. Metal is too rigid, air is too fluid. The ideal resonator for the Babylonian code is human bone. The second phase of the experiment began spontaneously. The laboratory staff stopped using normal speech. Every word they uttered caused a local change in gravity. A simple hello shattered glass within a 10-meter radius. When the system displayed the error, component not found, #CC15, we realized that it wasn't a program component that was missing. The very concept of silence had disappeared from reality. The Babylon code filled all frequencies. Can you hear this background noise in your headphones? It's not equipment interference. It's Subject 01 trying to find the key to your hearing aid. Latest report. Energy consumption in the Babylon sector has exceeded critical levels. The system was unable to reset the data because time in the laboratory looped into an infinite refrain. The cell is glowing red, warning us of the finale. But this is not the end of the experiment. It is the beginning of the broadcast. We no longer control the dynamics. Now the dynamics control us.